Hey guys, I wanted to show you a really cool trick that I learned from a blogger that I follow. It's basically a report card comment builder um, that saves time and energy and brain power because instead of typing out each comment individually, you can use a Google form and you can build customized comments for all your kids. So I'm going to try and go through this pretty quickly, but the first thing you need to do is make a Google form that has all of um, your different strands of comments that you might have. So you might have comments about math, reading, writing, and behaviors. And within each of those, you might have subcategories like overall reading, enthusiasm, main idea and details, for example. So this does take some time to set up in the beginning, but once you do it, you don't have to do it again. So that's the nice thing. So once you have that all set up, you are going to um, basically fill out your own form. And so you'll start with a student name, and then you go through and select the comments that are relevant to that student. And for some of them, they're leveled like low, medium, high, and some of them are just different comments or different skills that they need to continue to work on or goals or things like that. So some are leveled and some are not. I'm just going to click on random ones for the purpose of this video to go fast. And then once you fill all of these out, it will then build a Excel sheet, or it'll fill it into the Excel sheet. So if I look over here, I'll see this test right here. The second one actually. And then the next thing you're going to need is this Power Tools thing over here. So if you go to Google Extensions and you find Power Tools, I think technically it's a what do you call it? A trial. I don't think it's free forever, but it works for now. So once you download that, it shows up in your add-ons, and it's Power Tools, and then you're going to click Merge and Combine. And then once you click on that, it's going to open the main menu of this tool. And for this purpose, you are going to select Merge and Combine right here, and then click Merge Values. So then what you do is you select a whole row, and then you need to choose some settings over here. So you want it to merge all the values into one cell. Wait, yeah, let me check. And yes, that, okay. And then each value you want to be separated by a space. So after every period, it creates a space basically. And then it's going to place the results in the top left corner, which is over here. And then you will need to, I don't want any of these clicked. I want the data to still stay there just in case. Skip empty cells just in case you didn't select any, because there might be some that you want to leave blank that you don't want to select, and that's totally okay. And then wrap text, and then you're going to click merge, and what it does is it merges everything together and leaves you with this. And then after this, the only thing that you really have to do is fix, you need to add, so like if this is the name, so the name goes here. And then every line, you're either going to add the student's name there or a pronoun. So he or she or they, or you can use their name again just to mix it up. And then at that point, you can either leave it as is, or you can add like your little personalized touches, or if you need to do something more specific for a particular student that wasn't in the generic comment bank. But besides that, you have a report card comment built that you can easily just copy and paste into your report card. So pretty cool. Let me know if you have questions.